Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the black keys. In order to understand the black keys and to notate the black keys, we need two little signs. The first little sign is this. This sign is called a sharp. And whenever you put a sharp in front of any of those notes, the notes get raised by a semitone. And here's the second sign. It's a flat. And whenever you put the flat in front of a key, it means you put the note down a semitone. So a sharp raises the tone, a flat flattens the note by a semitone. So let's try this. I'll select the C and select the sharp. And now watch what happens to our key. This key suddenly raises by a semitone. So we call this key no longer just a C, but we call it a C sharp. If I take the D and I put a sharp in front of it, it becomes a D sharp and it jumps up a semitone. So this would be a D sharp. And the same works for the E. This note would be an E sharp. So you might wonder why this key, which you learned is an F, is suddenly an E sharp. Well, there is a certain term in music theory which is called enharmonic. Let's work a little bit with flats. So we take the G and we put a flat in front of it, and you will see that the pitch goes down by a semitone. It drops by a semitone. There we go. Here we have a G flat. And of course there are E flats and D flats and also C flats. Here we are on the C. I flatten it and you see it goes down by a semitone to the key where we usually find the B. So you can also say that C flat is enharmonic to B. Sometimes in music you also find double flats and double sharps. So here, for example, you see a double flat, which means dropping the note by two semitones. Or also you find sometimes a double sharp. You can write it this way or this way. And a double sharp means to raise the note by two semitone steps. The last little sign is the natural. And you use the natural if you don't want a sharp or a flat. If you understood these three things, top.